Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 9. If x equals -1, ax to the 5th plus bx to the 3rd minus 4 equals 0, what is the value of these equations when x equals 1? So when x equals -1, we have a x to the power of 5 plus b x to the power of 3 minus 4 equals 0. This is x equal -1. We have that. Now we have -1 to the even powers will give 1. And if we have -1 to the odd power, that will be -1. For example, if we have -1 times -1, that's equal to -1 squared, and 2 is even, so that will give us 1. If we have -1 times -1 times -1 equal -1 to the power of 3, that's give us -1. Because two negative number, the product of two negative number is positive, so we count on this one. This with this is a pair, so two negative make it positive. And then for the -1 to the power of 3, we have this one with this one in a pair, and we have only left is negative, and then this one produce positive. The product of positive and negative number will produce the negative. So that's how we got the -1 right here. Okay, so -1 to the power of 5 is -1 because that's the odd number. 5 is odd number. And then we have b multiplied by -1 as well because 3 is odd number. -4 equals 0. Now, any number multiplied by -1 will be negative of that number. So this one will produce -a. b times -1 is -b. -4 equals 0. Okay. So now we have this one as a guide. Key point. They said if x equals 1, write the value of these equations. So we have to plug in x equals 1 in. Okay, so we have a times x to the 5th plus b x to the 3rd minus 4 We want to know this one is equal what? Okay, so 1 to the power of 5 will be 1. Okay, a times 1 is a. Now b times 1 is b. Okay, now we need to know what is the value of a plus b, and from that one we can minus a minus b minus 4 equals 0 if we added both sides by 4. We have negative a minus b equal 4. And if we root negative 1 out, we have a plus b equal 4. So a plus b equal negative 4. So in this step, I multiply both sides by negative 1. Okay. Okay, now I have a plus b is negative 4. So I plug it in here. A plus b is negative 4 minus 4. So that will give me negative 8. So D should be the answer. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.